Is Trump's policy against India? Why is there a threat on Make in India? Hello, friends. This is the news of the growing tension between the two countries. An economic war, the target of which is India's ambitious Make in India plan. And this war has started with a statement from the White House, who shocked the world as soon as he was sworn in for his second term. Donald Trump, the former and current president of the United States, whose America First policy now seems to be taking a dangerous turn against Make in India. Is this just business competition or Trump's? What is behind the policies to weaken India economically? In today's special report, we will learn how Trump's retaliatory tariffs are bent on shaking India from automobiles to the pharma industry, and why experts believe that this tension could end the golden era of India US relations. Today, we will discuss this topic in depth. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will be the first to get our new video updates. So let's start today's discussion without any delay. January 20th, 2025. When Donald Trump took the oath of office for the second time on the Capitol Hill in Washington, the world thought that maybe this time his policies would be more balanced. But within just 1 month, it became clear from the statements made by Trump that America first may now mean India last. Trump's attack on India in a TV show with Tesla CEO Elon Musk was heard from Delhi to other countries of the world. The policymaker was surprised. He said, Bharat wants to set up a factory there, but it is unfair for America. We need to protect our interests. Not only this, Trump also repeated the threat of increasing taxes on Indian products. Is it just a statement or the start of a trade war with India? The echo of Trump's statement is being heard in India's automobile sector. India has an import tariff of up to 100% on cars, and Trump is calling it unfair. But the question is this accusation true? The purpose of Make in India is to promote domestic production. But in the eyes of Trump, this policy is hanging in the balance. Elon Musk, who was planning to invest $2 billion in India, is delaying the decision. Will it be a big shock for the auto industry? Experts believe that if companies like Tesla move away from India, the revolution of electric vehicles may slow down. But Trump's anger is not limited to automobiles. On February 19th, 2025, his administration proposed to impose a tax of 25% or more on Indian pharmaceutical companies. This decision is a big blow to India, as more than 40% of generic drugs in the US are imported from India. Shares of companies like Dr. Reddy's, Sun Pharma, and Cipla immediately fell. The head of India's Pharma Exporters Association said, the policy is a disaster not only for India but also for the patients of America. The prices of drugs will increase and the supply chain may break. The Trump administration's answer is clear. America should make medicines for its citizens here. Is this part of Trump's self-reliant America policy, or is it a conspiracy to suppress India economically? The most interesting aspect of this entire controversy is that Trump imposed similar tariffs on India during his first term. In 2018, he imposed 25% tariffs on Indian steel and aluminum, to which India responded by increasing tariffs on American apples and walnuts. But this time, Trump's stance is more aggressive. Talking about reciprocal tariffs, he said, if India imposes 50% tariffs on our products, we will also 50% will be taxed. Analysts believe that this policy can damage India-US trade by up to $150 billion. John Lipinski, The election director of NBC News says this strategy of Trump is not only dangerous for India, but also for America. It will break the global supply chain. But the biggest question is, how will India face this challenge? Will Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government bow down to Trump or will it retaliate? In 2024, India exported $93 billion worth of goods to America, including pharma products, IT services, and diamonds and gems. If Trump increases taxes on them, India's exports will suffer greatly. But India also has some arrows in its quiver. $30 billion worth of IT services and over 200 startups support them. Can India influence them? Says economist Dr. Arun Kumar. In addition, there is another facet of this economic clash that has been hidden until now: the war over technology and data. The Trump administration has recently warned of new sanctions on Indian IT companies, calling it a threat to US cloud services and data security, labeling India a digital protectionist. This step can be a big challenge for India's Digital India mission. On the one hand, while the Indian government is promoting local data storage, the head of the IT Industry Association of India has warned that it will give a deep blow to the technology partnership between the two countries. Is this the new front of the business war in the digital age? And can this move by Trump push back India's dream of becoming a global tech leader? So, friends, is this the beginning of an economic war between Trump and Modi, or is it just a pressure strategy? No one has the answer yet. But one thing is clear: the clash between Trump's America First policy and India's Make in India plan is increasing. And amid this clash, ordinary citizens and businessmen of both countries are full of anxiety. Will this tension turn into friendship and enmity? Or will both leaders find a way out by showing understanding? The battle is on, and its consequences will affect not just India and the US, but the entire global economy. Now it remains to be seen who will win this economic chess game. Because no one wins a trade war, there are only losers. If you like our content and want to make our efforts even stronger, you can support us through the QR code given in the video or the UPI ID given in the description. Your every small contribution is valuable to us and will inspire us to make even better and informative videos. Your support is our strength. Also, if this video taught you something new or you felt that this information should reach others as well, then do not forget to like and share the video. If you have any questions or suggestions in mind, then do let us know in the comments. We look forward to answering your every question and listening to suggestions. And yes, if you want to stay updated with our every new video in the future, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get every new information first. GRT Business always strives to give you accurate and reliable information. Our news is obtained from various news agencies, public opinion, and public sources. We try our best to verify every report, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our sole aim is to provide you with accurate and reliable information.